cupcakes. I love cupcakes. I love cupcakes so much that I had to stop myself from baking actual cupcakes. I stress eat them, and the last 2 weeks was very stressful, and I ate way too much sweets and junk food. So instead of baking cupcakes and decorating them with traditional frosting, which I love so much, I decided to create some different kinds of cupcakes. And these cupcakes are part of the Fall Cupcake Challenge being hosted by the lovely Maria from Artsy Cupcake. Yes, her name is Artsy Cupcake. She loves cupcakes just as much as I do. She doesn't look like she eats a lot of cupcakes. I look like I eat a lot of cupcakes. It goes straight to my waistline and my hips. So for this challenge, instead of making cupcakes and then end up eating them all by myself because I'm such a pig, I decided to create some faux cupcakes. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I made them, but this is the first one. It's a pumpkin flavored chocolate frosted cupcake made out of fabric and buttons. This one obviously is going to be a candy corn cupcake. And then this one, I'm gonna say it's a pumpkin spice chai latte flavor cupcake. Yeah, because that's what I probably would want to eat right now. So my cute little cupcakes are made from fabric, silicone cupcake liners, and just a little bit of polyfill and some hand sewing. And I'm going to show you guys how to make them. You can make these for any season to match your decor, and these are great because you can use them to decorate without the guilt and without attracting any bugs or ants or anything like that. So thank you, Maria from Artsy Cupcake, for this very fun challenge. I really wanted to bake cupcakes, but no, I can't. I'm being a good girl. So thank you again for the fun challenge. I'm going to be linking Maria's channel below as well as the playlist so you can see all the great cupcakes for fall. I'm sure they're going to be just mouth-watering and make me want to go out and get cupcakes. But I'm going to be good. I really am, because like I said, I was very bad over the past 2 weeks, and so now I'm being good. So thank you guys again for watching, liking, subscribing. I hope you like my DIYs. I'll be back during the week with some more DIYs for you. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye, everyone. Hi, everyone. Lisa Made with Glee. I'm going to show you how to make a cupcake. So you can buy cupcake liners. These come in like a pack of 20 or whatever from Amazon. And I'm just going to pull out the colors I want to use, which we have an orange and a yellow. So these are the two colors I'm going to be using. You're going to need square pieces of fabric, anything of your choice. You're going to need needle and thread. You're also going to need polyfill, scrap cardboard. Okay, to make our thing, what we're going to do, we're going to take our, measure it, so draw around, and we're going to cut slightly inside. So if you have a circle, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that it can fit inside of your cupcake. You need it to go about that much in. Okay, so now you can make it smaller if it comes out too much. So what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to trim this down just a little bit smaller. And it doesn't have to be perfect, because we just want a nice, comfortable fit. So fit it in. Oops. And that's pretty much how I want it to look. See? Okay. Now we're going to put this to the side. We're going to make sure that we have some Aleen's glue, our needle and thread ready, and we want it to match. So I'd be using orange for this one. So for this particular one, as you can see, this is from my last project when I did the applique, just the scraps left over. And I sewed 2 buttons on top just to make it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to center our design until I get a cupcake shape, and then we're going to glue all the sides. Okay? So now you could use hot glue, you can use whatever, or you can use needle and thread. Completely up to you. So we're going to do this 2 ways. First, I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit of that Aleen's. I'm going to take my little puff and just stick it on. Okay, set that aside. Now we're going to take our needle and thread. We're going to put this nice, tight, tie it off. Okay, now we're going to need a longer piece of thread. Needle. This up. Now to assemble our cupcake, what we're going to do is grab some more of this polyfill stuff. We don't need to overstuff it, we just want it to have a nice little base where our cupcake can fit right in. Looks good. And now we're going to take our needle and thread and we're going to go from the inside. Show you that again. So you're going to go down maybe like 1/4 of an inch. Make sure that end gets tucked in. And now what you're basically going to do is you're going to do a straight stitch, and make sure you're gathering, catching. And it's nice to follow the curve of the Now if you wanted to make this a hanger, what you could do is drive this in, come up to the top, go back down, and you can make yourself a little hanger if you wanted. But what we're going to do is we went in, down right into the inside here. And to finish it off, we're going to make a little tiny knot. And we're going to go down through that knot, come out somewhere in the bottom. So our little knot disappears. And cut it off. And there is our little cupcake. So here's another one I made. And hope you guys like it.